Hey, what's happening, Sneaky Heads? How you doing? How y'all been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, going to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
In the
sir.
video, we got that what? That
Weekly.
weekly heat, baby. That
Yes.
weekly heat. Well, these are the hottest shoes that are coming out from May 18th to the May 24th. I'm gonna go ahead and start off. So hot and heavy, we do have May 22nd. This is the women's release, women's Swarovski Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG. So this has a high retail price of $1,000. However, all the Swarovski shoes that Jordan has been doing has been selling out. So I do expect these to sell out as well. I'm not sure who's buying these sneakers, but I know it ain't me. I like this shoe a lot because it does feature the one of those classic OG, the Shadow. This is basically a Jordan 1 low Shadow, as we've seen before. However, this one has been blinged out in that Swarovski crystal. As you can see on the side, that Nike swoosh is blinging out. Pretty much everywhere on the shoe is blinged out. It is a nice shoe, I believe, for the ladies, but I'm not sure if I could afford $1,000 shoe, in my opinion. But let me know down in the comments. We'll be trying to go for these. But overall, this is a clean shoe. I will be rocking these because it is a clean colorway. I do see they do a nice job. Swarovski's crystals throughout. We do see on the back of the Wings logo in that metallic silver. I do think that's a nice touch. Moving around to the bottom of the shoe is just basically all blacked out. Looking at the tongue, we do see that bling bling on the toe, which I do really like to make the shoe give that ultimate pop. It does will feature a special bag as well as a little arm bracelet that comes along with the box. But let me know down in the comments will you be rocking these or dropping these. What do you think about these, my brother?
You know what? I agree with you. It's a nice, clean shoe, but that price point, I really don't get that price point, especially for a female shoe. So saying that, I will be dropping those. I will be dropping those. Not because of the look itself, but just that price point. That price point. But drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So finishing up the week on May 24th, we do have that Air Jordan 4 white cement. Price point for those are going for $225. This here is a nice, clean summer shoe. Nice work there, Jordan brand there. I really like that. They kept this shoe just like the original. They may added a couple hits here and there. That white leather, upper leather. Hey, appreciate they kept that. I like how they kept that speckle detail on the wing eyelets, right? I like how they kept the midsole. Very simple, very clean. I like how they just kept that signature mesh that they always have on the Air Jordan 4s. This is a nice, clean shoe. Only thing that I'm really hating on this shoe is just the sock line, right? That white sock liner, hey, if you are a true sneakerhead, you know how quick and those can get dirty, right? So that's the only thing that I'm not liking with that is that the sock liner. But overall, this is a nice, clean shoe. I like how they kept that red Jumpman logo on the tongue. It's just paying homage to this shoe. So Jordan brand, nice work there with the shoe. Only hiccups I do have with the shoe is the sock. All right. But drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. What about you, my brother?
The 2025 is supposed to be the most accurate shoe to the shape of the original OG that came out from 1989. So I will be rocking these. I anticipate these to sell out, even though they're supposed to be abundant of stock. So I suggest if you want these, please put in your footwork and put in all your raffles because even though prices are hovering around $300 for every size right now, we do expect those to come down for around $270 for resale prices. But these will be a hard shoe to cop. But let me know in the comments will you be rocking these or dropping these.
Yes, sir. Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others.
Peace.
Peace.